All right, I've been whittling, whittling and getting this top where I want it. It's still got to go down quite a ways. But you can see coming off the trunk into that top. That's the line I'm looking for. Where it comes straight down off the top into that trunk. Where the way it was, the way this car was before, if you look at the top, it was, it came down and then the trunk went down. And this all one, it's where you lay the window out, but that's what I saw in this Hudson, was the fact that this window was already laid out. So it cuts out chopping. It really doesn't save any time, because you're either going to do all the chop and fill work in the back on your stock roof, or what I'm doing now, fitting this all up. It looks like it's going to work. I don't think I'm going to be able to use those little opera windows because, as you can see, that was a door right there, right where that little opera window is, and then the door starts. And it doesn't, with this car, it won't make any sense. The only thing that will really make any sense is if I go ahead and go ahead and pull all this out, which, the window won't work anymore. It's a sacrifice you make sometimes. But use this and continue this line into, and I'll use the window off the other car to continue this, and it'll just be one big triangle piece of glass here. That's really the only thing that's going to make sense there. And then, here I'll be filling this stuff in and making it fit into this. I've still got to come down, like I said, quite a bit more. The roof is, it's pretty close to where it needs to be as far as straight goes. And you can see, I still got to come down quite a bit. And this is the piece I will end up, again, I think this width is going to work, because I can get that in there without changing this, so the glass will still fit. This is going to work. This is going to work. As you can see, it's already right there. But once you get up past this, that's where I'm probably going to have to cut that off, and then section it in a little bit. I think that's what it's looking like so far, because of the width. You see how there's a lot hanging out over here. It's sitting on there a little crooked right now, but quite a bit hanging out. Enough I'm going to have to section it. Probably 3 inches, probably 2 inches, something like that. And I knew because of the width difference between these cars, I knew I was going to be filling here, so that's not a surprise. But I still got to come down. I still got to trim some off the car back here, get this all laying down, But it's getting there. It's starting to, you're starting to kind of be able to see it, Pretty neat. A little bit lower. It'll be there. But I'm definitely liking the line, though. I'm liking the line coming off the roof into the trunk, and then you add the brow that I found in the other car across here. That'll be hanging off here in the front. Or I just weld it on like that, and I've already got shade. No. Anyway. So, fun. Shaping right up. I think that's going to be it for today, because it is Shabbat. It will be at sundown. Then I got to go in, take a shower, go to the grocery store, So, there's Chuck the cows across the street. See them over there? Lacing off in the distance there. My windsock says the wind's blowing east. Oh yeah. All right. So I guess, well, I don't know when I'll be back out on this one again. Maybe Monday. But Sunday I'm gonna be watching a game over at my daughter's, so I won't be doing anything out here. That's the plan. Go Chiefs. Later.